This short video is going to demonstrate how to enter an appointment for a patient. This is exercise 3-1 in your textbook on page 99. First things first, open up Medisoft if you choose to do it this way, and navigate to the appointment book. You can either select the shortcut button that says appointment book, or you can go to activities, slide down and select appointment book down here. The information that we'll be putting in is for a patient by the name of Leila Patterson with Dr. John Rudner on November the 14th, 2016. Now, two major things you always need to remember when setting up an appointment. Make sure you have the correct physician and make sure you have the correct date. So let's start with the physician first. If we need to change the physician, it's located over here. Our patient is going to see Dr. John Rudner, but if you have to select another physician, just click the drop-down arrow and select the physician that you need to see. Now move over to the date, and the date that we are interested in is November the 14th, 2016. So we have to move through to the correct year and the correct day simply by clicking on it. The time will be at 4:30 in the afternoon, and the amount of time for the appointment is a 30-minute time slot. So we're going to scroll down to 4:30. The first thing that you do to select the time, you can see once you click once beside the time, it will put a bold box around the time. Then if you want to open up that time slot, you simply double click on that. There we go. You'll get a second dialog box that asks for some basic information. If the patient has a chart, that number that's already existing, all you have to do is type in the first letters of the last name. And we're interested in Leila Patterson. There she is. Once we click here in the phone boxes, it will automatically fill in the telephone numbers from previous information. The only other thing that we need to change in here right now is the length of the appointment. So we're going to bypass all this other information, come down to length, and just click on your up arrow. It's in 15-minute increments, so it just changes it to 30 minutes. And we will say save here. We'll scroll on down so you can see Leila Patterson is now scheduled for a half-hour appointment beginning at 4:30 with Dr. John Rudner on November the 14th, 2016. And that takes care of exercise 3-1.